are pleased to show you the 2017 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.